Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Seth and this is Warthog Defense. We previously reported on the unusual number of Russian planes being down in the past 10 days. Now, Ukraine claims responsibility for shooting down 3 more SU-34 planes in a single day. However, without visual confirmation, we cannot confirm these claims. We understand the Ukrainian position, but moving forward we will only report on downed Russian planes when we have undeniable evidence.
The Ukrainian Air Force reports that it had shot down another Su-34 overnight in the eastern direction. This is the 13th one in 11 days, and according to Ukrainian Ministry of Defense, they have shot down 3 Su-34 fighters in a single day. Regarding the downed planes, until now we have seen video evidence of 2 downed Russian planes, probably Su-34 and Su-35 fighters, and also the surveillance A-50 plane. We cannot claim that those are the sole downed Russian planes, and there are probably more. But after this unusual rate of downed planes, and we are talking about the most sophisticated Russian planes in the moment, without providing any evidence, we will take this information with a hesitation. Ukrainian Air Force spokesman Yuri Ignat is giving some explanation. Russian pilots need to take risks to strike deeper. For the bomb to fly deeper, you need to fly closer, because the bomb is gliding. It does not have its own engine. It flies, reducing its speed. That's why they need to take risks, and by taking risks, they get into stories like today, said the spokesman for the Ukrainian Air Force.
Так, вона планує і летить, фактично знижується, втрачаючи швидкість і так далі. Тому
Okay, let's move on. Avdiivka, Donetsk region. The collection of bodies of eliminated Russian servicemen continues. This is a frisking factory. Fricking Koksokim, Avdiivka coke plant, spoil tip. And these are our brothers lying there. The men were unlucky. The snow fell in the morning. Today it's melting. Fucking mud. These were Ukrainian fortifications along the way. The axe is lying. Don't we need to chop wood? Wow. Fucking cluster munitions hit the car. I'm all jamming the connection. They're starting to hammer, he says.
Скрытая камера, блядь. Утром снег выпал. Сегодня тает он, блядь. Грязь ебаная. Вот так вот. Это, походу, укрепы были у них, да, азиатские? Твари ебаные. Топор лежит, не надо нахуй, вон, дрова колодец. Ух ты, блядь. Кассетка уебала. Она вон по машине, походу. Да. Все, связь глушу нахуй, начинает долбить.
Wow, Tucker Carlson is changing his mind. How beautiful is Russia? Interviewer, what do you think of Putin saying that justification for continuing the war is denazification? Tucker Carlson, I thought it was one of the dumbest things I've ever heard.
What do you think of Putin saying that justification for continuing the war is denazification?
I thought it was one of the dumbest things I'd ever heard. I didn't even understand what it meant. Denazification?
It literally means what it sounds like.
You know, I have a lot of thoughts on this. I hate that whole conversation because it's not real. It's just ad hominem. It's a way of associating someone with an evil regime that doesn't exist anymore.
A Russian TOS-1A loader vehicle is heavily damaged or destroyed south of Krasnohorovka in the Avdiivka direction. The TOS-1A was hit numerous times, but already empty, so no big boom. Cannot be used anymore. Russian media report that the icebreaker Ermak is on fire in St. Petersburg. Russian media offer different reasons for the fire. Some write that the garbage caught fire, while others claim that the fire could have started allegedly due to welding works. Russian magic, and they are offended when Ukrainian are calling them orcs.
А сейчас я вам расскажу русский старинный рецепт силищи богатырской. Видите? Смотрите внимательно, смотрите внимательно. Вот так вот это делается, вот так, вот так, вот так, вот так, вот так, вот. Повышает все на свете, блядь. Старинный рецепт наших богатырей, мужиков русских. А, сука. А, блядь, вот прет-то, сука, чё. Ах, сука, прет. Ах, сука, блядь. Ах, ах, сука. Ах, ах, сука, блядь. Одинокий мужичок под 50. Неухоженный, блядь, сука. Пускай...
Putin urged Russians to have more children. A large family with many children should become the norm, the philosophy of society's life, the benchmark of the entire state strategy. He needs a large supply of cannon fodder.
Большая многодетная семья должна стать нормой, философией жизни общества, ориентиром всей государственной стратегии.
NATO's potential future Secretary General, Estonian Prime Minister Kaja Kallas, is asked whether all options are on table regarding Ukraine, including European boots on the ground. All options should be on the table, Kallas confirms.
We shouldn't be afraid of our own power, which means that Russia, is saying that, this or that step is escalation, where, defense is not escalation.
Just to be clear, Prime Minister, you're saying boots on the ground should not be ruled out, that those conversations that are being had behind closed doors should be, all options are on the table. Is that what you're saying, including boots on the ground?
I'm saying that we should have all options on the table. What more can we do in order to really help Ukraine win and push back Russia to its borders? Because it's a question of the European security architecture. It's also a question of global security architecture. If Russia wins, we're going to see more wars across the globe. And this is nothing that we want to see.
For the end, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay with Warthog Defense for the best updates on Ukraine. Let those Russian planes keep falling from the sky, and we will report when we see the footage. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.